Welcome to Creata Classes. This is 24th lecture under the quadrilateral series, and in this lecture we will cover our 9th question. The question is, refer the figure. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB is equal to DE, AB is parallel to DE, BC is equal to EF, and BC is parallel to EF. Vertices A, B and C are joined to vertices D, E and F respectively. Show that it has basically 6 parts. First, quadrilateral ABED is a parallelogram. Second, quadrilateral BEFC is a parallelogram. Third, AD is parallel to CF and AD is equal to CF. Fourth, quadrilateral ACFD is a parallelogram. Fifth, AC is equal to DF. And sixth, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Huge question. Firstly, let's refer the figure. In the figure, two triangles ABC and triangle DEF are given, and AB and DE are given as equal and parallel. And BC and EF are also given as equal and parallel. If you observe, ABED is forming a quadrilateral, okay, the four sides. And it is given AB and DE are parallel and equal to each other. And we have done the theorem, that is, when one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other, then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So we can say ABED is a parallelogram. Similarly, for the quadrilateral BEFC, it is given that BC and EF are equal and parallel. So same philosophy will be applicable here also. That is, the quadrilateral BEFC is a parallelogram. So we have got first and second part of the question. In the third part, we have to prove AD and CF are parallel and equal. For the parallelogram ABED, the opposite sides will be equal and parallel. That is, AD and BE will be equal and parallel to each other. Similarly, for the parallelogram BEFC, we can say CF is equal to BE and CF is parallel to BE. The opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal and parallel. So if we compare both this equation, that is, AD and BE are parallel and equal, and CF and BE are parallel and equal. So we can say AD and CF are parallel and equal to each other, okay? That is the third part of the question. In the fourth part, we have to prove quadrilateral ACFD is a parallelogram. So this is the quadrilateral ACFD. In the third part, we have proved AD and CF are equal and parallel. And we know when one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other, the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So we can say ACFD is a parallelogram. Okay, simple, very easy. In the fifth part, we have to prove AC is equal to DF. Just now we have proved ACFD is a parallelogram, and we know the opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel and equal. So we got AC is equal to DF. Okay, that is the fifth part of the question. Very simple. In the sixth part, we have to prove the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Let's check both the triangles. AB is equal to DE, that is given. BC is equal to EF, that is again given. And AC is equal to DF, that is we have proved in the fifth part of the question. So by SCS congruence rule, we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So that is the answer of the question. Initially it is looking like a very lengthy and complex question, but as we have approached the question, now you must be feeling that it is very simple and very easy question, okay? The fundamental which is used in this question is the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. And the second fundamental that is used is for a quadrilateral, if a pair of opposite side is equal and parallel, then the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So these fundamentals are used in this question. So that's it for this lecture. For more information, visit our website creataclasses.com. The link is given in the description. So thank you very much for being with Creata Classes. Bye for now.